Someone's gotta take the lead in honesty. I'm gonna sit back here and tell you all that comes to me. If you have something to say, you should say right now. You give me a feeling that I never felt before. And I deserve it, I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. And I can take it. I was wondering maybe could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable, would it make us look crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. If you ask me, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love ya, baby, I can break it down. There's so many ways to love ya, got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love. I found you finally, you make me want to say, oh, 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 oh. Just sing all first. And then honesty, someone's gotta take the lead in honesty. I'm gonna sit back here and tell you all that comes to me.
Why do we always have to pose so long?
Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it. Honesty, someone, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different.